I was a general contractor, and we did affordable housing and real estate. 99 until the housing collapsed. I reinvented myself. I decided I wanted to go green because I seen it as an opportunity for me to make a better lifestyle change for myself personally. So we have a radio show called The Greenpreneur Radio Show, which is on WVON on Saturdays from 5 to 6 p.m. and we talk about green lifestyles, going green food, everything from career changes to underemployment, and we talk about all those opportunities for individuals to switch and transition into the green economy. Well, what I like to explain to individuals is that the green economy is all-inclusive. The green economy is all-inclusive because you can start all the way from picking up trash, which is recycling, all the way up to a physicist and sending rockets to the moon. There are great pioneers that are already out there. You have groups out in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, you have other individuals in California. California as a state is very, very far advanced. So you're gonna see a lot more green entrepreneurs surfacing and expanding over the next two to 5 years. A lot of series of training and classes that'll be coming online. We got a class called Back to the Basics, Greening Your Lifestyle. These things are gonna be opportunities for individuals to come in and get the information. They'll be able to sign up at mygreenmag.org. When they sign up there for our newsletter, that'll put them into the flow of any of the new current information that we're.
Are you doing what you believe you were meant to do all along?
Oh yeah, because I work so many hours and it doesn't feel like work, so I know I'm in the right space. I lose track of time. What I figured out now is if I'm working in something and time has become irrelevant, I actually found what I want to do. And that's what I feel when you have your passion. It's like a love affair. You just lose track of time. This is Michael Thomas, and you've been checking me out on Rolling Out. Keep it 100% green. Peace.